वेलकम टू TechSoftSolution। आज के सेशन में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डेटाबेस। लास्ट सेशन में हमने डिस्कस किया डिफरेंस बिटवीन DBMS एंड RDBMS। इस सेशन में हम लोग एनालाइज करेंगे व्हाट यू मीन बाय डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डेटाबेस एंड व्हाई RDBMS इज सपोर्टिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डेटाबेस environment and why the database management system is not supporting distributed database environment. So what do you mean by distributed database? Distributed database is nothing but your database is stored somewhere else onto the earth। मतलब एक कोई भी एरिया में आपका डेटाबेस है एंड वो डेटाबेस को आप कहीं से भी थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड एक्सेस कर सकते हो। इट इज बाय यूजिंग अ क्लाइंट सर्वर आर्किटेक्चर। दैट्स द रीजन वी आर सेइंग डेटाबेस and RDBMS is a distributed data. So database management system is not supporting this environment, this type of feature of distributed database. RDBMS support this kind of functionality. Most likely all other RDBMS also are supporting this functionality. How distributed database management system works basically, right? So let's say for example this is a database and we will say this is an RDBMS because only relational database management system support distributed database environment. So let's say for example there are two people, user 1 and user 1 try to insert some data onto the table name is EMP, employee table, where he wants to insert some data. So he can insert the data, he can update the data. Let's say for example employee number equals to 1 to make the salary as 6 lakh. At the same time another user wants to delete data from EMP, so he wants to delete the entire table from the EMP, and also he wants to insert the data into the EMP. So they can manage because over here row locking functionality is available. Only a row can be locked by the user and other rows are still available for other users to be accessed. That is the reason it is saying as multi-user architecture. The next lecture would be a various RDBMS available in the market. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the comment. We will glad to help you. Thanks for watching. Hit our like button or subscribe our channel for more details for next lecture.